What's up guys, it's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time watching and you enjoy watching property tours and learning all things real estate, we'd like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
Perfect. Now that you've done that, I'll tell you about where we find ourselves today. Today we are in the North Dallas neighborhood called Melshire Estates. It's just right off of a Preston and Forest Lane. So there's literally just 2 blocks away. That shopping center is there. And there's a lot of new construction going on in the neighborhood just north of Preston Hollow. This is a place to be. Anyway, Sheila, share with us a little bit more information about this property.
Sure. This is a built in 2014 by Ron Davis Custom Homes. It has completely been remodeled in 2022, and it's 5 bedrooms, 5.2 baths, 6,366 square feet, and it's currently listed at $2,550,000.
Wowzers, that sounds like a huge house. Can't wait to see it. Let's go.
Enjoy the tour and enjoy the music, guys.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below in the description, we'll have more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Or if you are looking to sell your property, we'd be happy to have that conversation with you so we can show you how we can sell your house for top dollar in today's market. Or if you're looking to relocate to the Dallas area and are looking to buy, or looking to buy just because you're already here locally, please schedule a buyer consultation call with us. We'd be happy to hear from you.
And please follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila, and don't forget to subscribe.
Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.